What is up, everyone? This is Motorola. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the process terminated unexpectedly error 1067 that you may be getting on your Windows device. So let's get around to this. So there's a very easy and straightforward way to fix this. The first thing I would recommend is to go to your search bar and go to services, and where over here, if you see the specific service where it says background task infrastructure services and background intelligent transfer services, make sure both of these are running. So double click into them and make sure they're running and on automatic for both of them. The next thing you want to do is then you want to go into your search bar and type in CMD and right click and run this as administrator. We're basically going to run two specific commands over here. The first one is sfc/scan now. This does take some process and time to run, so you're going to basically let this process go through and run and then kind of go from there. And then the next one command that you're going to run is dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. You're basically going to run this second command as well. After you run these two commands, again, they're going to take some time to run and complete. Restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you will not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motorola out. Peace.